Good morning. We're going to Vivo City, Sentosa. This is Vivo City. We're going to Sentosa for the Sea Aquarium free ticket. So we're on our way and we're waiting for tram. We're in green color tram. Today is Sunday. Sentosa. Yes, Sentosa Island. We're going to Sentosa Island. And we're alighting to tram going to Sentosa. Today is Sunday. This is Singapore. We're doing our vlog, Sunday vlog. So we will go here.
And stand clear of the doors. Thank you.
Bes. Saan na yun? Bes, dito na lang tayo. Kasi ano na, masikip na. I'm riding on a tram color green because there's so many different colors going to. The end is Palawan Beach, but we will alight Sentosa Island. And then we'll search where is the Sea Aquarium because we don't know yet. We're just exploring Singapore. We're always in Sentosa, but we haven't been in Sea Aquarium. This time we're going to avail our free ticket that will expire on February 5. So February 5 we're loaded. So today we're free. Try we're available. We're in the tram. MRT, ay ano, MRT Sentosa Islander. See in Sentosa. Here already we're leaving Vivo City. We're leaving Vivo City, going to Sentosa. One stop only, maybe. Oh, yellow tram. Yes, one stop only, maybe. I don't know. On the different side, so you can see that that one. Ano nga tawag dyan? Cable car. Cable car here. That one is very small. That's why you can.
Ini yang dari Vivo City sana itu yang
the way Vivo City going to Sentosa Island, Singapore. See blue.
Oh, kita ke ini kita ke India. Tiket tuh kabel. Ini kabel-kabelnya yang arah Sentosa. Kalau yang ini beda lagi. Ini yang longest kemarin ever. Jadi kamu naiknya yang area.
It's a nice day today. It's cloudy but there's no rain. I hope there's no rain until afternoon because I will go to Jurong this afternoon, and we'll go to, after that we'll go to organization meeting. So this time there's no more lion here. It changed. During COVID. This one, no more lion here. Under the dark lake.
Ang ganda naman dyan ni Dina.
The India was transformed during COVID time, so the India, it's different view. But we're just We're here already in the Resort World Sentosa. So it's one stop from Vivo City. Have a happy Sunday, guys. We're going to alight.
Dito tayo.
My best friend is there. He's very fast. Oh, so nice flowers. Chinese New Year is coming. Take care. It's their way. Mind of your steps. Kasi baka magtumbling-tumbling ka dito. Going down the stairway and then going up easily. So we're here, 7-Eleven, and then Resort World Sentosa. Okay, we will avail this tourist attractions here. So we will need to see the map because we don't know. Adventureland Sentosa will welcome. Here's the Trick Eye.
So, saan yung ano? Baka dito.
We're looking for... Saan yung Resort World Sentosa? Dito tayo. Oh, Bes. Bes, dito tayo.
Universal Studio?
So we're going here.
Universal Studio?
Yes. Ay, si Aquarium. 6 minutes walk. Si Aquarium kami. We're going to see Aquarium. 46 minutes walk. Oh. That's a long search because we're not...
Paano naman ito? Vivo City Station, Sentosa Boardwalk. So,
Mama?
Beach Station. Dapat doon tayo bumili.
Hindi tama na yun. Dito na yun. Kaya lang, maglakad lang tayo.
Maglakad tayo eh. Resort, asan ba
Si
tayo?
Aquarium dito sa Resort World Sentosa, di ba?
Saan tayo, Bes?
Si Aquarium nga.
Dito tayo ngayon.
You are here. Si Resort World Sentosa. Ito yung ano natin, yung ticket. Baka mga bes. This is our ticket. Oh, bes. Punta tayo dun. Ayun no, may sundan na lang natin yung